So it's back, and I can tell that you're all really interested to see just what can you fit inside a photographer's vest. So it turns out quite a lot. So I'm just going to unload all of the equipment that I've been using on my assignments recently so you can see just how much you can fit inside a photographer's vest. Here we go. 50mm standard, fisheye lens, 16 to 35, speed light. What have we got in here? Memory card wallet, 24 to 105, 5D Mark IV, 5D Mark II, 1DS Mark III, 1DS Mark IV, underwater housing, a drone, telephoto, another telephoto lens, 300mm, fire extinguisher, safety first people, a nice bright light. Someone moaned about my videos being too dark the other day. A 5x4" plate camera. Inspiration is always important, so we have some light reading. A tripod, of course. And we all know how important it is to be smart on our photo shoot, so you need an iron just to kind of wrinkle out the creases. Knowing where we're going on our photo shoots is important, so I generally carry one of these things as well. Quite handy. A big ass background. I get quite hungry on a shoot, so I generally bring a couple of tins of baked beans, and you can't live on beans alone, so, you know, a bit of fruit and veg as well. And, you know, who doesn't love a cup of coffee? Oh, and what's that last thing? Mobile phone with a calendar on it. Happy 1st of April, one and all. I'm sorry to waste your time. People keep telling me to make really serious photography videos about, you know, really advanced stuff. And then I go and make junk like this. It's no wonder it's the smallest photography channel in the world. Anyway, thank you for viewing. Hope this has brought some kind of level of amusement to your day. You know, subscribe for more serious photography content. Happy April 1st, everyone. Goodbye.